देख रहे हो यहाँ पे लौंडियाबाजी हो रही है यहाँ पे। दिस काइंड ऑफ वाओ वाओ, यही करने आए थे क्या यहाँ पे हमको? बोथ आर मेकिंग आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही इज डूइंग in this video. Because of Hindi is my mother tongue, this is why sometimes you can see. But in this video you can see how I practice of English speaking daily. I you know wake up around at 8 a.m. in the morning, or get up around at 8:30, and now I am ready to go. I am ready, you can see. And now I am going to Trilokpuri to my client to collect some amount for the company, because of I am a corporate lawyer. This is why this is I am going to the Trilokpuri. I am just right now in Saket, and now I am just going. I will show you how I practice, how I observe things in English. You can see this is the band, this is the advocate band. We wear this when we go to the court before the judge, when we argue, when we appear in the court. You can use the we all advocates wear this band when we appear in the court, when we usually in the court. And you can see this is the frame. Okay, now I will show you how I am practicing. Let's go. Hello, now I am in Sanjay Lake, which is in Trilokpuri, and now I enter from this gate, and now I see these are the pigeons and some crows are there, who is feeding and eating their food. Some weeds are there, some as you can see there are so many pigeons and crows are there who is eating. And now you can see the different kinds of tree over there. And now I will show you, this is I don't know how amazing the view will be, but I will show you through my videos. Okay, and now you can see what is it. Oh my god, oh my god, what is it? ये क्या है भाई? ये कोई ये है क्या? मेरे तो पल्ले ना पड़ रही। इसके सींग भी निकले हुए हैं, इसका मुंह भी थोड़ा पक्षी जैसा है। ये मतलब पंछियों से रिलेटेड है, लेकिन ये देखो इस साइड में जंगल सा आप देख सकते हो। और यहाँ पे मतलब बहुत ही कम लोग हैं यहाँ पे, इधर उधर आजू बाजू। नाउ यू कैन सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी देयर इज़ अ गार्ड, and this is a people who is walking, I guess, around the the garden. And I will show you the lake, and this is the area you can go through and you can walk on this path. And this is another path, and now I am going to this way. You can see the lake over there, and there are not so many people are there, but this is a net area, and this is lake. Oh, you can see the Indian flag. We can't go because of there is a net. Oh my god, this is so relaxing. There are so many swans are swan, we can say. I don't know what to say, but I guess these are swans we say, female or male. And he is feeding some, I don't know what he is feeding, but he is throwing in the water. I don't know what type of food it is, but yes. And now you can see this is so amazing view. You can see all over there is a water, and in water you can see these are not the ducks. Hey, these are the ducks. I just look at the the legs of these birds, and I realized these are the ducks, I guess. Yes, these are the ducks and some duckling, and now you can see different type of ducks. You can see black and some केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया. And now you can see this lake is surrounded by many trees, and you can see the park area over there in front of me, you can see. And now I can show you, these are the area of water. This is so relaxing. And now I can show you something interesting. And now you can see the mouth and statue of the lion. Is a lion, I guess. Yes, I want to explore. Now I want to explore more, I guess. So let's explore with me in this blog. And there are so many people who is sitting in the shadow of the trees, you can see. And this I can show you and you can see me in this video. And now the park is really amazing and cold as well. You can see the sun shining this side, and now I am under the tree. And now you can see there are so many people who is sitting here and there, and I feel shy to make blog between the men's and men's looking in such a way what he is doing in this uniform. I am in my uniform. I am an advocate by profession. This is why I feel shy sometimes for making blogs and making videos. I don't know, the sun is but really this park or this lake is really amazing. And you can see some plants are there. You can see some you know kinds of tree. I don't know the name, actual name, but to say, but yes, there are different kinds of trees and plants are there. You can see this is another type of plant. You can see the flower. You can see the flower, and this is the, if I, this this is the leaf I can touch. And this is another type of plant. And these are the leaves of this plant. And now you can see old man who is coming towards me, not to me. And I am exploring right now. Whoa. These are the ducklings, you can see. And you can see the tree. The tree is from the bend. The tree, how can I say, in Hindi we say पेड़ उखड़ चुका है. What to say in English? उखड़ चुका है. What to say in English? I don't know. But you can see the trunk of the tree, and you can see some many branches, and tree is still alive, not a dead, because his roots are covered by, covered in the mud, we can say, or we can say soil. And now, oh my god, oh my god, oh my, I just slipped there. This is why I called oh my, because in my mother tongue we say sometimes. And now you can see, I can show you. Wow, it's so amazing to visit here. And now I am just exploring. There are so many people. Now you can see the area. Oh, there is a guy who is sitting and taking advantage of this views, and this is not a populated area. You know area is not so many peoples are here. Not so many peoples are here. Some peoples are here. I don't know why, but the area is so many. The area is in large in area, and now I can show you. Wow. And now I can show you from rear camera. You can see from here. Is that a boat? Yes, that is the boat. And now you can see the whole lake in one frame. And you can see now I am walking here and there, and you can see the the area of this park. But now I am seeing in front of me there is something amazing. I'll show you right now. And now, one, two, three, and go. You can see the stairs type. And now I am just staring up, and wow, you can sit here and you can go downside the from there and as well from here. And now you can see the you can go from here and you can come from here. You can take picture from standing here. And now I can sit here. Now I am sitting at the sitting area. And now you can see in this video, this is how I am practicing English daily. Because of, if you want to speak and if you want to communicate in English, but I really want to say I am really fluent in my mind. If I talk to someone in any answer, any question, mind process itself in within a many seconds. But it when it can when it's come to speak, when it's time to speak, this is how my mind works, and this is how my tongue slips. And sometime I got flips, my tongue got slipped, and accent so bad. And this is why, if you want to speak, so mind doesn't matter, your tongue matters. If the sentence you can see the area, you can see this is another type of this kind of area. You can click the photo as well, because of, but as you can see these are the stairs. But now here not the stairs, you can go by foot there. And I am just going downside. And now if I climb from here, I can climb to that area. And now I can show you, there is a girl who is kissing, who is chumma chatting there. Now I can show you. You can see they both are making I don't know what he is doing. And this kind of activities is going on in the area of this lake. This is the Trilokpuri lake. I just visit here, and now you can see the activity of the girl and boy. And now I am showing you this kind of वाह वाह, यही करने आए थे क्या यहाँ पे? हमको मम्मी पापा को पता है हमरे। देख रहे हो तुम, मम्मी मैं ड्यूटी जा रही हूँ या मम्मी मैं पढ़ने जा रही हूँ। नाउ यू कैन सी ये सब हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ये सब करने आए थे तुम। हमरे मम्मी पापा को पता है। एंड नाउ देखो, you can see some another man came there. This is why they stop making what they are doing with each other, but I can't interrupt them. I am shooting them because of it is a public place, not a private place. This is why I can shoot him, I can capture him, because they are in a public place, not a private place. And they are act option act, or a some kind of loving act they can do at a private place. But if they are doing obscene act in a public place, we can capture and we can object these types of act in the public place. And now you can see this is how. And now I am this what he is doing right now. I can show you. I don't know what they are doing, really they are doing, but yes, I'm just doing. And now you can see the area. The area is, if I go to upside, hope so I don't slip. And now I can show you in, and now I can and now you can see, देख रहे हो यहाँ पे लौंडियाबाजी हो रही है यहाँ पे भाई साहब। और इनके बस की नहीं है, अगर थोड़ा सा भी इनको वो मिल जाए ना प्राइवेसी यहाँ पे पेड़ों की, या वैसे तो है यहाँ पे लेकिन, बट देख सकते हो आप यहाँ पे। सॉरी आई एम मेकिंग माई blog in English. I am practicing only in English, because of it's my mother tongue. This is why I can say sharing my feelings in Hindi in a much better way. This is why I am saying, oh, love chal raha hai kya? And now I can show you, these are the school students, you can see over there. And now the area is in a large, but not so many people are here. And I can show you again. And I am just searching what they people are doing, and he is doing, and I can show you. But this much zoom I can zoom at the front camera, in the front camera. But yes, if I show you in my rear camera, I can capture not so clear because of they are so far from away from me. And now you can see the dog. The dog is sitting under the tree, because of the tree is not touching him. This is why it is under the tree. And you can see the trunk of the tree, and you can see the, oh my god, this is a tree of Ashoka. And you can see the leaves, these are the leaves of the Ashoka tree. And now I can show you what they people are doing with each other. I am just thinking, if they get some privacy, what would they do in this place? Look at their hand and look at their activities in the park right now. There are so many people, but they are doing what they want to do. They are hugging, fucking, not fucking, hugging. And now why I am just sharing to you not to do such kind of things in a this kinds of public place. This is a public place, not a a private place, and you should not do such kinds of things, and you should not do the private things in the garden area. And now I want to say you, they people are they people noticed me that I am capturing them. This is why they both are looking at me in a stranger way. This is why I'm pretending like I'm making blog for myself. I'm not capturing them. This is why I'm not capturing right now. And now I can show you area of children play. This is the area of playing for children. And now, and what I was saying, I was saying कि this is how I practice daily. This is how, because I observe many things whenever I go, whenever I walking, because of I visit many area on daily basis, being a lawyer. And without speaking I can't be fluent, and honestly I am saying I am so fluent in my mind. And if you want to gain and want to capture the area, I want to just show you कि they both people come to me and ask me कि how they people are. हाँ जी. And they both people comes to me again, they two times comes to me कि show me that my videos, you shot my video, and this kinds of things. They comes to me two times, and I recently deleted, and I show they both are come towards me. I deleted the clips from my phone, because I know कि he comes to me and say open the gallery of your phone. And I was, what happened, and he was saying कि just open it, and he comes to me like open it. So just I opened and saw the my video, another video I am was capturing myself. In that video I show him, but he you know don't believe on me, and he got after saying that my video, and okay, no problem. And then again he comes to me, brother, open the video please, because he you know look at my video on at my screen, not playing that my video. And he comes to me again and say ki open the video, guys. Guys, not guys, open the video, brother, and play it. And he show my video at first moment, and he would want to see कि I capture those guys in my video or not. But I didn't show him, and I didn't realize him कि I already captured in my video. And now you can see the dogs. He is sleeping in a wow. Are you guys sleeping? And another dog is there, you can see. And now I am just going from the it's much for today. I will continue this blog and continue my English speaking journey from tomorrow. This is a kind of fun for me, and they both are walking there, and they still can't believe that I didn't captured in my video. But I captured. I will definitely post their video, definitely, because they two times visit me and show my gallery, and search the clips of them. But I they both are come towards me. I deleted the clips which I captured. This is why they both guys are option X are there, you can see. And now you can see the people are right side of me, and now they are walking here and there, and I am still on the path, and I am just going outside from where I entered in the park, and I am just going outside because it's time to leave now, because I take and I enjoyed my this area, and I will visit definitely second time whenever I come to Talokpuri, because I lives in South Delhi, and this is, I don't know, this is not a South Delhi, this is far from me, and this is the area from my you know where I lives. This is around at 20 kilometers. I came here for my client's visit. This is why, oh my god, this is so relaxing. And now you can see the cool area over there, and now you can see there's, this is the grass you can see, and now you can see the plants and trees, and now this is the really amazing area. And now if I would have met, I will definitely sit downside the under that area. And this area is really amazing. This area is really amazing, guys. And now I can show you. And now I am just going outside, and the uncle is come towards me, but not to me, because he is walking towards the path, on the foot. But I'm just going outside. If someone comes to me, my English got much fluent. Even when I make mistake, without mistake, how can I make me better? This is why I am not scared of making mistakes, but scared sometime of making this kind of video on capturing me. And now end of this video now. Bye.